Hi everybody, it's your girl Naila Ayana and welcome back to my channel. Thank you everyone. I just want to say off the bat, if you are new here, hello. We are almost at 500 subscribers and you know what that means, 500 giveaway for the 500 subscriber mark, and we have got some new people. I just want to say hi to all my new subscribers and to all of the ones who have been rocking with me this long in the game. It's been a year and some change. Hello to y'all too. Happy Sunday, and yeah, let's dive into this content. So I wanted to bring you all something different, some different brands that I genuinely want to try, that I'm attracted to, that I love, all that good stuff. So today I'm bringing you a maxi, I call it sundress, but they call it maxi dress, so we're gonna call it MAXI DRESS HAUL from Diva Boutique online. All right, they are a very cute boutique that I found on Instagram probably like 4 years ago. Haven't purchased from them before, and today we are trying out their materials, specifically from their maxi collection, their maxi dress collection, and I'm bringing you all 5 cute looks that I think are cute, and I'm going to give you my honest review so that maybe you can try it out too. They also have other great pieces such as sets, accessories, what else? You got your club dresses, not just your maxi dress, you got your sexy dresses as well, swimwear. Okay, I could just go on and on. Everything will be linked in the description box, sizes, color, the link, and all that stuff, and even to the suggestion. Let's get right into the content. Okay, so we are diving into the first dress, which I actually have on already. This is called Another Date Maxi Dress, color blue, size small. I was really nervous about the material because, you know, it seemed very stretchy. The description said it was stretchy, and I was just like, a small, you just never know with sites, but I did get my true to size, which is a small, and it fits like a glove. I absolutely love this dress in terms of it's simple. I love the high collar, the high neck, how it cuts off on the arms. It definitely frames the body well with the print that it's giving. And then you turn to the back and you have a little backdrop. I have a short torso. I don't know if you're new here, I say that all the time. So on me, it kind of cuts high, but if you have like a longer silhouette, it definitely will hit right, and also curves. You're gonna get some movement, okay? The only con about this that I don't like, and I'm sure you can probably see it here with the lighting, and maybe you can't, I'm not sure. We'll see when we're done here in editing, but in person for sure, it is see-through. I mean, straight see-through, okay? So I have a bra on right now, and the bra definitely helps, but before, when I first tried it on, nipples showing, okay? I won't say your lower area shows because they put the darker colors right, you know, where it needs to be. But for me personally, I love being able to wear some type of undergarment. If it's my thong, if it's my my Skims, a little hint, I'm gonna put it up here. If y'all ain't seen the Skims haul, go ahead, check that out. But my shapewear, okay, all that good stuff, I love wearing that. And how the dress is made with a little cut in the back is kind of hard, which kind of makes me want to look to see what type of undergarments you can wear with dresses like these, and maybe I'll bring that to this channel. Let me know if you have that struggle when you're dealing with some sexy maxi dresses or different materials. But I will have to say that's the only con. It's kind of, this dress gives you like a cotton-like feel almost. So not much pull, you know, your shape is gonna be your shape. It is what it is when you put this dress on, and it is borderline see-through. So I will tell you that much about this dress. It is out of stock right now. This why I told y'all I'm looking at my notes. My suggestion would be their dress, which is Dates With You Maxi Dress, which I actually was looking at before but didn't get because I love the print that I got on this dress. But the difference is I can already tell when you get a print like that, even if that material came like this, where I told you it's kind of see-through and it's that cotton-like material, you are a little bit safer when it comes to your nipple showing or not being able to wear underwear. Even though the way this dress is cut, that I'm suggesting you all to buy, you should be fine putting on undergarments. But just in case you don't want to wear that, or you don't want to wear undergarments, I'm telling you, this suggestion would be definitely my first choice over what I bought, only because of the see-through part about it, okay? And like I said, the dark color shows, you know, it's hitting where it needs to hit to hide what it needs to hide, but if you sweat, I sweat, y'all. Like, I'm gonna be real, your booty be sweating, you know, you get the sweat on the bottom of your back and stuff. Like, that's why I like to at least be able to put my thong on or something, okay? So that was just my only con, but overall I love the dress and I just think it's such a look, and it just hits the curves where it needs to be hitting. So that's number 1. Let's go to outfit number 2. So outfit number 2 was on the thumbnail. This is called the New Me Maxi Dress, color orange, size small. Y'all, I absolutely love this dress. I love that it's ribbed material. Again, comparing to the other dress that we just saw, outfit number 1 or dress number 1, it does, you know, show your nipples, okay? And it is borderline see-through. Again, it's not as bad as the first one in my opinion, because the material of the rib, it kind of like, I don't know, for me, I just like comfort. Like, I don't like thin materials, and I know some people it doesn't matter. So if it doesn't matter to you, you would love it, okay? I just like being tucked, like, you know, I like being pulled in with my material and just making sure like ain't no nips showing or my booty moving too much in the dress. But if you're looking for that move, you know, that and you got that back, I'm telling you, outfit number 1 and this one is gonna give you all of that, okay? But classy still, okay? So absolutely love this one again because it has the high neck, but this was kind of different because it had the ribbed material and it had the backdrop. Now, this is also sold out right now, so I suggest you all to try, which is what I wish I had tried in this haul as well. I just, you know, I was like, girl, you pushing it on a budget, so pick. Only 5. But the Don't Try Maxi dress, it comes in mint, orange, and black. Y'all, look at this dress. It's absolutely sexy. You get the little side split. I love the mint color. The mint was the one I was looking at, so I highly suggest the mint, or get the orange like me. This is, I believe this is how the orange will look. The same orange I'm wearing in this scene right here is exactly how it looked on the model online for what I bought. So you can do the orange, mint, or the black. Either way, this is still an A+ to me. It was one of my favorites that I bought out of their maxi dress collection, and yeah, that's all I have to say about it. I definitely say keep checking out on their site if they restock this dress, but definitely take my opinion and try out the suggestion that I gave. Dress number 3 is called Still My Girl Maxi Dress. That's juicy. Still My Girl Maxi Dress, color blue. I got this in a medium, okay? I was just nervous. I was nervous on the fact that how it stretched or how it looked to me. I just was like, I'm not sure how that's gonna hit. And honestly, it fits like a glove. It fits as if it was my true to size, which is a small. So I recommend go ahead and go up a size in this dress. I don't know, it's just like the way it fits. It looks like it would be stretchy, and it is, but it has a little tug and a little compression, which is my favorite. Honestly, in terms of how the dress feels, tucks you in, and how it hits certain body parts, this dress is my favorite for that aspect. But in terms of style, I like the other ones that I've shown you all so far, and I'll get to my favorite. But yes, this dress is hot. It's hitting, okay? It's giving you that super ribbed material. It hits that body in every single area. It has like the cup in the back for the booty, so you know, for the itty bitty booty community like me, okay, when we're trying to just get that illusion and that oomph and that lift, that's definitely there. And if you already got it like that, it's just emphasized, boo. Okay, now the only flaw about this dress that I have to say is on the bottom. You know how some maxi dresses or form-fitting dresses like this can give you that pigeon little walk, that little penguin walk? That is the problem here. So I'm gonna have to get my dress altered. I'm probably gonna get a slit cut on just one little side just to open it up so that it can be a little free flowing, because to be honest, I tried it on with heels, tried to break it through. No, you're still getting that little penguin walk, and that's not hot. So I will say that is the only downfall of this dress, but everything else is super cute. I like that it's classy, got a little sexy in the front with a little skin, and you honestly can dress this up or dress this down, which is perfect for summer. Okay, let me know if you feel me. Let me know if you like this one as well. And it also comes in other colors. I think it comes in orange. Yeah, so this one's still in stock. Make sure y'all check the site out before it's not. Okay, so outfit number 4 was definitely a different look. I wanted to give different looks or different types of feels with each piece that I picked. So this one is more of an enchanted Cinderella type vibe. Do not pay attention to the split, I cut that being ghetto, thinking I could cut that with some regular scissors. Don't do that at home, kids, okay? So I'm gonna have to take that to get altered as well, get fixed up. But for me, I just like a little sexiness, and I felt like it was looking a little too like, ooh, a little too conservative. We in the church, like to the knee, boxy. It just wasn't hitting right. So when I cut that slit in it, it definitely flowed the way I wanted it to flow. That's to each his own. That's just how I feel about it and how I feel the dress should be made. So other than that, this is the Did You Well maxi dress in green. Obviously it's multicolored, but they call it green because it does have a lot of green aspects in it. But I just love this because it has the adjustable, I guess, bra area in the front. I have smaller boobs, so I wish I had like the cleavage just sitting up. But if you have a fuller chest, that's definitely going to be really pretty, but not like a distasteful, you know what I'm saying? I like the sleeves. You can pull it up or you can pull it down to come on your shoulders, off your shoulders. Kind of gives you a little puff. I like it because it's just pretty. You know, it's simplistic, but it's not childish at the same time. You can still be grown and sexy with this, and you can also dress this up and dress this down as well. And again, the material is perfect in terms of no nipple showing. You can wear this without a bra. You don't have to worry about your underwear showing, and it also has a little lining in the middle, which you saw my ghetto self cut that too, but it's okay. We're gonna get it fixed. But with that being said, you don't have to worry about any see-through issues or anything like that, which is great. And it really just flows so freaking pretty when you walk, which I just love for just a effortless vibe. Maybe your hair is down or a bun on top like I'm wearing here, who knows. I will wear my hair down with this, but yeah, so this is definitely one of my favorites. They did their thing on this, and that is still in stock. Wait, no, y'all, it is not in stock. Oh my god, it's not. But hold, I have a better suggestion. So this one is called Just Like the Rest Maxi Dress in Olive. So as you see here, it's giving you an olive black type vibe, and I love this because it's a little more sexier. Okay, the other one was, you know, like cute and sassy, but this is like sexy and cute. Okay, again, as you see how it cuts on the skirt part, the dress part, personally I would give a little split in that as well. But I feel like you can play this up and play it down where it's still, even though you got a lot of sexiness going on in the front, you can still play with some flats and still be cute and not doing the most at the same time. So I definitely suggest this. They also have more that are just more covered up, like the one I have here, but that just was my favorite and gave me the flow type of vibe in terms of what I was looking at when I bought the first dress. And I promise you, I know that this dress will fit the same. So I say try that one, but they also have other more conservative, cutesy ones as well. So that's that for that one, and on to the finale dress. So this one is Baby One More Time maxi dress in color black, size medium. Okay, and I personally call this the sexy sunflower dress. I feel like that's what it should have been called, sexy sunflower. But yeah, I love this piece. I absolutely love the fabrics. Like I said, my first two were probably my top twos, you know what I'm saying, in terms of the style, but the material was a little thin for me. I like this material because it gives you that spandex feel where it pulls you in, but it's not too tight, or you know, your booty still moves, it's still grabbable, it's still soft in the dress, okay? And then the front, I am definitely not wearing it right according to how the model wears it. I will say it's a little bit bigger on me in the front. I got a medium because I just was nervous, because I had a feeling, because a lot of these dresses, even the ones, the first two I believe, because it's not online anymore, but I believe they said it was made out of a kind of a spandex material as well, so they do pull you in. So I wasn't sure if it would be too tight, you know, so I got a medium. Y'all, it fits like a glove on the bottom, just the top. I just have to adjust the straps and it's fine. So I would still say go up a size, to be honest. I don't know if I would like it as much if I had got true to size, because literally it fits perfectly in a medium. So I would definitely still go up a size in this dress. I feel like you can kind of play around with the boob area and how you want to tie it, to be honest. Really, I've noticed that with a lot of those these little cute little sexy top dresses, but I like this. I wasn't sure about the sunflowers at first. I was like, that might be corny, but it came out cute. I like it. It's cute for a little picnic date or going out. You can dress this up with some heels or dress it down with some flats, and like I said, you can adjust the tops to make it fit how you want to fit. And if you got the girls, you definitely gonna be popping. Okay, I have a smaller bust, so we gotta manipulate it a little. Well, y'all, this is it. That was the haul, the try on. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. I want to know. Also, remember, we are almost at 500 subscribers. I'm so excited, and with that, I'm gifting y'all something special. So make sure you are dropping your ideas, so then when it's time to start that raffle and all those things like that, I have some real suggestions from you all on what you would like, so you can participate and get what you want. Okay, so yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bells on, and have a great week. Have a great week, y'all, and I will definitely be back with y'all next week with some more content. I love y'all. Thank you so much for the support. Be safe out here, okay? It's about getting hot outside. We ready to be outside, you know what I mean? Be safe. Still keep your mask on, okay? The word of the day is, it's not the destination that matters, but your journey. Ooh, I like that. That's what it is. I probably said that wrong. I'm gonna put it right here somewhere so you can really get the word, but that is the word of the day. Make sure you are focused on your journey, enjoying your journey, because personally that's my focus lately, and it feels so much better when you're not trying to be so stressed out about the destination, but enjoying the climb as you get there. Yeah, so I love y'all. Until next time, thank you for tuning in with your girl. All right, love y'all. Bye.